Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So this video was supposed to be going up on Sunday and again life just got in the way, so I am uploading it today, but that actually brings me to a very big announcement that I need to make to you guys. This is actually my final YouTube video and I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I am still going to be here on YouTube posting YouTube shorts every single day. So I'm still going to be giving you lots of cleaner motivation, home decor, even some fashion pieces and just all sorts of goodness here on YouTube. This is just going to be my final long form video. I'm also going to be focusing on the short form content over on TikTok and Instagram as well. So if you're not following me over on those platforms, I will have both of them linked in the description box so you can go ahead and follow me over there as well. But yeah, this is just very bittersweet. Like, I know that it is the right move. I am definitely doing the right thing, but I've been making videos now for, I want to say, about 5 years. So it's going to be an adjustment period. And yeah, I really hope that you guys stick around for all of the content I'm going to be posting daily on YouTube Shorts. Yes, that's what I said, daily. There is going to be a daily upload, guys. At least one daily upload. So I'm really looking forward to sharing lots more content in the short form format. I think I'll just be able to produce way more good quality videos for you guys. So yeah, can't wait to share all of those. But for now, I'm just going to let the music play so you can just clean along with me, get into the zone, and yeah, let's just enjoy this final video together.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past, so insecure.
So here I'm actually just asking Rob if I should keep this jar of sweets or throw it away, because I haven't actually eaten any of the sweets in God knows how long. I honestly have no idea, and it's just being moved around the kitchen, and obviously I decided to keep it, but I was literally like, should I keep this or am I just being a hoarder? And then before he even answered, I was like, no, let's just keep it just in case, because you never know that one day you're gonna want a sweet. So yeah, I kept it.
Disappearing at last, you made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night, to be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby, fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me, fool for you. That's something that you do to me.
So that brings us to the end of today's video, and I can't believe it's the last time I'm going to be saying those words. It feels really weird, but I am really excited to start sharing YouTube Shorts every day because I get to share a lot more with you guys, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to this new chapter, because I'm definitely not going anywhere. It's just going to be in a different format. So I really hope that you enjoy everything to come. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next short video. Bye guys.